Welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where we explore the world's most powerful, futuristic, and mind-blowing machines on wheels. If you love next-gen trucks, heavy equipment, and advanced vehicle technology, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a machine that perfectly blends brute strength with smart engineering, the Scania R-Series Truck-Mounted Crane 2026, a true game-changer for construction, logistics, and industrial operations. The 2026 Scania R-Series Truck-Mounted Crane is built for professionals who demand power, precision, and reliability in one unstoppable package. At first glance, the truck itself looks bold and commanding, with Scania's signature R-Series design-strong lines, aerodynamic contours, and a reinforced chassis designed to handle extreme loads. But the real magic begins when you look beyond the cab and focus on the crane system mounted on the back. This is not just a truck with a crane, it's a fully integrated heavy lifting solution. Engineered for the future, under the hood, the Scania R-Series 2026 comes equipped with advanced Euro 6 and next-generation powertrain options, including highly efficient diesel engines and hybrid-ready configurations. These engines are tuned for massive torque output, ensuring smooth performance even when lifting heavy loads or operating in challenging terrains. Scania's intelligent engine management system optimizes fuel efficiency while maintaining peak performance, making this truck both powerful and cost-effective for long-term use. Now let's talk about the crane itself, because this is where the Scania R-Series truly stands out. The truck-mounted crane is designed to handle heavy lifting with absolute precision. Depending on configuration, it can lift several tons with ease, reaching impressive heights and extended ranges. The hydraulic system is ultra-responsive, allowing operators to perform complex lifting tasks smoothly and safely. Whether it's construction materials, steel beams, containers, or industrial equipment, this crane handles the job with confidence. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 model is its smart control technology. The crane features advanced electronic stability control, load sensing systems, and real-time monitoring. These systems automatically adjust lifting power, balance, and speed to prevent overloads and reduce the risk of accidents. For operators, this means safer operations and greater control. Even in tight or high-risk environments, the Scania R-Series cab is another major advantage. Designed with driver comfort in mind, the cabin feels more like a high-tech command center than a traditional truck interior. The seats are ergonomic, the visibility is excellent, and the digital dashboard provides real-time data on engine performance, crane status, load weight, and safety alerts. Long working hours become easier thanks to reduced driver fatigue and intuitive controls. In terms of durability, the 2026 Scania R-Series Truck-Mounted Crane is built to last. The reinforced frame, high-strength steel components, and corrosion-resistant materials ensure reliable performance in extreme conditions, whether it's scorching heat, freezing cold, or rough construction sites. Scania's reputation for long service life and low maintenance costs makes this truck a smart investment for fleet owners and contractors. Another impressive feature is the modular design. The truck and crane setup can be customized based on specific industry needs. From construction and infrastructure projects to emergency recovery and heavy logistics, this machine adapts effortlessly. Optional add-ons like remote crane operation, advanced camera systems, and automated leveling further enhance productivity and safety on the job. What truly makes the Scania R-Series Truck-Mounted Crane 2026 futuristic is its focus on sustainability. With improved fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and compatibility with alternative power solutions, Scania is pushing heavy transport toward a cleaner future. This proves that power and responsibility can go hand in hand. In real-world operations, this truck delivers unmatched versatility. It reduces the need for multiple machines on site, saving time, fuel, and labor costs. One truck, one operator, and one powerful crane can handle tasks that previously required several vehicles. That's efficiency at its best. As industries continue to evolve, machines like the Scania R-Series Truck-Mounted Crane 2026 are setting new standards. It's not just about lifting heavy loads, it's about doing it smarter, safer, and more efficiently than ever before. This truck represents the future of heavy-duty transport and lifting technology, combining Scandinavian engineering with cutting-edge innovation, and that brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed learning about the Scania R-Series Truck-Mounted Crane 26 and want more futuristic trucks, machines, and next-level vehicles, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Daily Drives, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next drive into the future.